Hello and good day to you. I'm Evangelist Hunt here today to bring you another Wednesday's Daily Home Bible Reading. Today's lesson is titled Renovation and is found in Colossians, the 3rd chapter, 5 through the 10th verse. What is renovation and what does it mean? It means to renew, refresh, restore, and to renovate what has become faded and to restore it back to its former state. Well, in these few verses of scripture, that's what we're going to talk about today. And I want you to pay special attention to verse 5. I'm only going to read part of it. It said, therefore, put to death your members which are on the earth. Put it to death? Yes. Kill it. What are you killing? You are killing sexual promiscuity, impurity, lust, doing whatever you want to do when you want to do it. You're grabbing whatever that attracts your fancy, and these things does not please God. What else? Bad tempers, irritability, being irritable all the time, profanity, and talking dirty talk. These things does not please God. You got to kill it. In other words, stop it. Renovate these things. Get rid of it. All these things does not please God. And when you do this, you are renewing your mind. This type of person is continually renewing their mind and in the knowledge to be like their creator by reading, studying, fasting, and praying. Stop being lazy, people, and stay with God. Thank you for listening and thank you for your time. God bless.